On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I am going to show you how to draw bacon, and this kind of continues my breakfast kind of series of videos by Finley Coombs. You say, can I draw a bacon sandwich? Well, maybe I'll show you how to draw a sandwich next. But once the sandwich is put together, you can't see what's inside. So let me show you how to draw the bacon this time. So I'm blocking this out in pencil so I get a rough idea how to fit everything in. And if you really want things to fit, you really do have to sort of pencil out and plan beforehand. And when you pencil, do not press too hard, because then it becomes really hard to erase later. So what I'm doing here is I am kind of drawing the rind, and I'm doing kind of very crinkly line like that, so I'm going to come all the way around. So I'm going to do two different types of streaky bacon and then kind of a back bacon here. And here you're going to want to have this kind of the streakiness, and it wants to be, you know, it's organic. Okay, well, I mean, you know, it's not necessarily organic bacon, you know, brought up to organic farming rules or anything like that, but bacon is organic in that it doesn't have kind of sharp edges and things like that, so you really want to have kind of smooth-ish lines. And I'm going to maybe do one more bit kind of there, and I'm sure this doesn't actually fit in with any kind of proper muscular structure, and anyway it might be, you know, reformed turkey bacon. It doesn't necessarily have to be bacon. So so there's one, and now I'm going to do another one. So we need to have this kind of crinkly rind on the outside again. I'll just zip through this bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that kind of around like that, and then sometimes you kind of get this a little lump hanging on there like that, and you might get another kind of little lump hanging on there kind of on the side, and then we can put this sort of a streak in there and a streak in there, maybe something in there too. And then while I do the rind for the back bacon bit, I can tell you that if you were watching this on Patreon, you would probably be getting it without adverts. And what I do is I do a little step-by-step guide thing as well, usually for these videos. So you get an awful lot more when you come and watch me on Patreon. Just click the link up here to find out more. Now this is that great big kind of piece that you get on back bacon, and then we want to have some bits here, maybe about 3 bits, something like that, and then we'll kind of connect that up like that. And then when you're sure that the ink is dry, you can erase those planning pencil lines because you didn't press too hard. It's nice and easy. And then we can colour it in, and basically you have a kind of a darker brown for the rind, and then a kind of a paler colour for the fat in between, and then a kind of a pinky brown for the meaty bit. And you can also add a little bit of shine to make it glisten. And there you go, how to draw bacon real easy. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing. Practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.